Hello, entrepreneurs. We are TouchSuite merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into high-risk payment processing for credit repair businesses? A guide? Introducing TouchSuite with over 20 years of experience and partnerships with major players like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, and many more. We've worked with over 50,000 merchants. Plus, our domestic U.S. support is available 24/7. We're here when you need us. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below in the comments section. Understanding high-risk payment processing. High-risk payment processing is essential for businesses labeled high-risk due to chargeback risks and financial instability. Credit repair services like ours fall into this category. High-risk processing helps them securely handle transactions in their challenging industry. The importance of accepting credit cards. Credit cards are a customer favorite. Missing out on processing them can hurt your credit repair business. Embracing credit card payments expands your clientele and business potential. Merchant processing and accounts. Merchant accounts are like specialized bank accounts for card payments. High-risk industries, like credit repair, need tailored merchant accounts to guard against chargebacks and fraud, ensuring smooth card transactions. High-risk payment gateways. Payment gateways are crucial tech links between customers and merchant accounts. High-risk industries require specialized gateways for security and unique needs. For credit repair, these gateways are vital. E-commerce payment processing. Online operations are common for credit repair services. E-commerce payment processing is a must for seamless online transactions, enhancing customer experience. The benefits of high-risk payment processing. These solutions reduce risk, broaden the customer base, and enhance security. Offering credit card payments simplifies client engagement. It's a competitive edge in the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For trusted payment solutions, visit TouchSuite's website with over 20 years of experience. See you in the next video.